The country was founded by people who didn't necessarily think that international treaties were a great idea. So they made it very, very difficult to pass international treaties. So you need 67 votes in the Senate out of 100 in order to pass an international treaty. It's a very, very high bar. You really need to have a broad consensus about an issue in the public and in the Senate in order to get a treaty ratified. The big difference also with the US is that once you do have domestic law, it's very, very binding. So an example of this would be that one example I've used is that in Canada, for example, they have a domestic law that says that they should follow the Kyoto Protocol. But WWF Canada, for example, isn't able to sue the Canadian government under that law. If the US had such a law, WWF US could sue the US. So it's a very different kind of law. So one thing is that once we do have the law, it's very hard to get, but once we have it, it's very, very binding. As members of civil society, we can sue the government if they don't follow that law, and there are repercussions for the government if they don't follow their laws. So we feel pretty confident that once we do get a law, that we'll be able to stick to it.